guys, it's Carly, and I'm back to talk to you about how to overcome the challenge of budget limits with technology in your classroom. So do you lack the funds to provide every student with technology? That's okay, because all technology assessment tools we provided in this presentation are free, and there are millions more available just one Google search away. And even if the entire program isn't free, a lot of programs online do offer free versions. So you can try it out to see if it's worth the expense or not beforehand. Also, you can innovate what you already have, creating stations for students to share technologies, or you can add a technology into your center rotation. Because remember, not every student needs to be using the technology at the same time for it to be effective. And if your school or district lacks the funds to provide your class with the technology resources you desire, take matters into your own hands and create a Donors Choose page to start raising your own funds for your class. For example, I didn't feel like I had enough technology for my classroom, so I created a Donors Choose and I got 5 iPads donated to my room. It was really simple to do, it's very user-friendly and free for educators to set up. So I incorporated a video into this program so you could also learn about Donors Choose, so you can set up your own funding for your classroom as well.
DonorsChoose.org is an online charity that makes it easy for anyone to help students in need. Here's how it works. Public school teachers all across the U.S. post classroom project requests on the website. Requests range from pencils to PCs, from money to fund a field trip to microscopes for a biology class. You can browse project requests by location, subject, keyword, or other filters and give any amount to the one that inspires you. Once a project reaches its funding goal, the people at DonorsChoose.org will purchase the materials and deliver them directly to the school. As a donor, you'll receive photos of your project taking place, a thank you letter from the teacher, and sometimes even the students, along with a cost report showing how each dollar was spent. You could give as little as $1 and get the same level of treatment normally reserved for those who give millions. DonorsChoose.org calls this citizen philanthropy, and we hope you'll call it a really cool way to help classrooms get what they need to give kids a better education. Visit DonorsChoose.org today for more information on how you can get involved.